Hey everybody, so we're out at super secret Site B, Grunkle Billy's house, and we got a couple of things today. I got our new powder coating gun. I got a new oven. That's right here, a bigger like rotisserie oven. You'll see that. That's pretty cool. We also have. What else do I have? We got the truck. Apparently my exhaust blew out, so we'll start that. And I also have some new turn signals for the ground. We're going to try and do a couple of things today, and let's see what we can get done. So we'll see you in a minute. Hang on. All right, guys. Here, Billy's in the truck. Let's. You can hear this thing. Hang on. Let me flip the camera around, and you can see how bad this sounds. I was like, what in the hell happened? Hang on. All right, Billy, start her up. Hear that, guys? Oh yeah, nice, right? And then my there's a heat shield over here. All right, you can kill it. Nice, right? That's a mighty fine sounding Ford fucking Ranger. You disagree, Billy?
I do not.
We're gonna have to fix it. Catback exhaust, Billy. We can get catback exhaust for this.
Yeah, I think we should just get the exhaust and get her done.
Well, it's catback from Walker.
Oh.
Not very expensive. We're at Rock Auto, $137.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right.
Let's get it.
Let's look at what I got from Vivor.
Yeah, all right.
All right. So the first thing we got is the powder coater from Vivor. Now remember, I have the one from Eastwood, and I did the brakes on the Harley, and it was okay. But I kind of didn't like the way it was set up. It's all right, but this one's got a foot pedal and a trigger, a couple other things. So it's got a reservoir on top for the powder. Let's take a look at this thing. Come on in here, Billy. What do we got? So they give you 2 containers, which is nice, so that you don't have to like keep changing the powders. And then you've got, here's the powder coating system itself, on off obviously, and then it has on the back, it's got like 4, what is this, 5 settings. So 30 kV to 50 kV you can select, and then the thing that I liked is these cables are longer and hopefully won't get in the way. Oh, look, this one actually comes with some kind of fitting already. Oh, interesting. So this one has the setup from the top. Right? So the other one, it drew from the bottom, but this one comes from the top down, which I think I like better. And it comes with a foot switch, so instead of having to, like, this is the trigger's for the air, but you got the foot pedal, so you can step on it, and that charges it. And then you got your longer ground clamp. I wish these were longer and removable. We could fix that. I just want something that I could plug in, you know, pop that out. But yeah, this looks, what they give us. They give us some kind of dryer or filter dryer, some kind of little, oh, these are the spray tips that go on the front that change the pattern. But yeah, here. But that's about it. So it's kind of nice. I like the idea of the two containers, so you don't have to change it out. We just got a fresh delivery from FedEx. What do we got here? What do you got?
I'll tell you what. I'll record you open because you got the nice knife.
Okay. All right. Here you go. Where's this from?
Oh, Vivor.
Another Vivor find. Oh, that's weird how they packaged them together.
Yeah, no kidding.
Now you see it says Vivor.
Yeah.
And not sponsored by Vivor, but I wish I was.
Yeah.
Maybe they'll see this and they'll sponsor me, because you can see I just bought a powder coating gun. We buy a lot of their stuff.
Yeah.
So I think it's a step above Harbor Freight, to be honest.
Is that red?
Yeah.
Okay, that's for the truck. That's for the Ranger.
What? You got me another one?
Yeah, that's for the Ranger.
Oh, come on. Billy already hooked me up and gave me this is one of these 20-liter jerry cans. Look at that
The
thing.
nice steel ones.
The nice.
That aren't crap plastic.
And it comes with a cool, nice gooseneck with, the ones that don't leak and
Yeah.
look at that.
Something so my car won't always smell like gasoline.
Yeah, nice. Jeez. Fucking Billy, man. What's in this one? What's in this one?
What is it?
Another red one.
Oh, that's for Trevor's truck.
What?
That one's for Trevor's truck.
Where's yours?
Probably the other box there. Mine are green.
Oh. Oh, so there's there's two reds.
Yeah, we got two red trucks.
But this one's more of a this is more his color.
Yeah.
And this is more my color.
Yeah, I don't think they're really specific on paint.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, thanks, Grunkle Billy.
You betcha.
And let's see what's in this one.
These
Jeez.
would be my green ones.
The question is, what green?
Yeah, that's a good question. And would they be the same greens?
Ah. They look like they're the same green.
And they're packaged together.
And they're packaged together.
Yeah.
Oh, this one's like an army green.
Yeah, that's kind of what I was hoping for.
Look at that.
Like a bright green, but
Wow.
yeah. All right.
Man, we got gas cans for days.
Absolutely.
Sweet.
All right.
Awesome. Well, thanks.
You bet. I want to make sure that everybody has gas for those moments that you forget.
And have it where you got to push the stupid thing and then it's pouring and leaking out everywhere.
Yeah, I hate
I
those.
hate that's the worst thing. And then I love how on the front of them they say firefighter approved.
Yeah, no,
it's like,
they're not.
no, they're not. No firefighter would have. You serious?
Fire Marshal Bill.
Yeah. Let me show you something. Anyways, let's open up the the oven and we'll keep going. That's cool. Now you got one for your car and one for the van, right?
Correct.
Awesome. All right, hang on, guys. We'll be right back. All right, so okay, last unboxing. We'll get to some stuff here, but I'm hoping. Now, I don't know. I didn't really show you guys my other oven. It's a little bit smaller. It's more for toast and small stuff. But this one is supposed to be much bigger.
We can compare them. We have
Yeah.
one inside.
Yeah. Okay, so this must be like the rotisserie. Oh, this is the thing that you stick in the chicken or whatever. So this one's kind of nice because it rotates, right? Supposedly, allegedly, theoretically. Oh, weird. I don't think I'll be needing that where I'm going. But let's take a look here. And this one, it also has a nice big glass door. Check this out here. Woo! Oh, look at that. These things are just look in the box. Just
jammed in there.
that's weird. All right, so let's take a look at this thing. So I got it so we could do bigger, longer parts and then hang them. And technically, this thing does have a rotisserie, right? So we could even rotisserie the parts while we cook them. Let's see here.
Yeah, more even cooking in a convection oven.
Yeah. Oh man, it's curved glass.
Ooh.
Weird. Okay. So, yeah, it comes with a couple of trays, right? Not out of there. And then, so I thought, what's cool here is if you look at this, so this thing can be used two ways. It's got, the heating elements are here. See, this is why this thing is cool. We can put the tray there, but then you also got this. I don't really know what you do with this, whatever. I mean, but what's cool is that all
I think
that
it goes into that bottom pan.
maybe, yeah. So here, now we can hang parts anywhere here, and I mean, look how much room we got to hang parts. Now, if you want, you can flip these up. So you can flip that one down. Obviously, not with the thing in here, but that seems pretty good. Then the heat is going this way, and you got heat from the top down.
Yeah, you can put your gyro stuff in there.
Yeah, exactly. Cook your Euro meat, your gyro meat. So yeah, but we've got plenty of room to hang for bigger parts. So, and this does it's got the bake and the broil and all that. So, and it goes up to 450. So this was only $100 kind of like the other one, but I liked it because it's big and it's got this nice big door. So, all right, that's it for that. Now we'll get on to maybe hooking up. We'll get the whole powder coating stuff set up, and I'll show you the pieces, the parts. Where did I put those? I put them here somewhere. Here's the parts that I had made. So this is a piece off of the super secret project, and I designed this one in CAD and had it made out of 304 stainless. It's a little thicker than I wanted. I must have picked like the next thicker, but I mean it's got some girth to it. But the only thing we got to do is countersink the holes, or I mean I think countersink would probably be best. I didn't do that on here, but you know, I'd like to be able to powder coat this, so I think maybe I got a countersink bit somewhere. Then for this piece, you see how weird and shaped this piece is. I tried drawing this one in CAD. I had a hell of a time. You know, having it come out 1-to-1 and everything. So instead, I just got basically the same thing. I made a 4x6 plate in CAD, and then I just sent. This is all sent to Send Cut Send, right? So I sent it to Send Cut Send, and it took like a week. This was like $35 for. I got 2 of each. I just brought one with me, but so I figured what we do is, you know, it's like square on square-ish. You can see how you can see. That's why I said it was screwing me up, because it's not exactly square. So I was like, screw it. I'll get a plate, and you know, we'll line it up somewhere. You know,
either clamp and scribe or clamp and paint, and
right?
Then you got your outline. Right.
Just exactly get our outline, and then we'll cut it, and then we can powder coat it. All right, everybody. We'll be back in a minute, and we'll see what we're gonna do next. See you in a minute. You guys want to see the ground? Here it is. It's a barn find. It's a shed find. It's sitting here.
Hey, it's my shed. That means it's my ground.
Is it?
I'll Rochambeau you for it. I go first.
Oh no. That looks good. Everything seems fine. The other day there was something that dripped all from the ceiling or something. Remember that?
Yeah. I think we moved it then.
Yeah.
It was sitting farther over here.
Yeah.
That's when I realized that they had put the roof on incorrectly at the edge.
No.
Yeah, for some reason I don't know why they did that, but
wow. All right, cool. Well, I do have the keys, so we can start it up. But yeah, I would like to replace these turn signals here. These are all kind of old and clapped out now. They stopped working, and plus you can see here. Look.
Oh.
See that?
That's not good.
Nah, they've been like, well, you know, I leave this thing out in the elements, you know. So this is the first year it's been babied and been inside of a shed. All right, guys. So you know, looking around is like I don't have. There's a couple of things we don't have. One was, what didn't I have, Billy?
Don't have the countersink bit.
Oh yeah, I don't have a countersink bit, so I don't really want to set up the powder coater, because for my super secret project, I want to countersink the holes for flat screws. So we're gonna wait on that, and then when I get that in, we'll go ahead and I'll cut that other piece and we'll countersink those. What else? The point being is that I don't have everything I want, and it's super nice outside, and I got beer, so I think we're just gonna call it a wrap. And this was just an update video, and it's so nice outside. Don't forget, if you guys are riding, this week's gonna be real nice, unless you live in like South Dakota, where there's gonna be another a foot of snow. So enjoy that, I guess. But otherwise, it's gonna be in the 50s, 60s. I think maybe even the 70s this week. So we'll see you maybe next week. All right, we'll talk to you guys. Easy. Well, we're standing here next to the burned out van by the river. And so you can see that it's not rattling on the catalytic converter anymore, but that muffler is just gone. You know what's interesting though is that my exhaust cell's pretty gassy too. Did you notice that? It's pretty gassy. Anyways, we'll see you guys. Easy.